So we're going to continue our journey on TinkerCAD. Once you log in and go to 3D Designs, you will see that you have some of the ones that you've made in the past. And we're going to go to the top right on Learn. Okay? And select Lessons. From there, see All Lessons. And we're going to start off with something simple. In this case, it'll be the basic ring. So I'll go ahead and click Start. And off we go. So the instructions say drag a cylinder to the workplace and to the work plane and make it a hole. So we can take the cylinder that we're dragging here, and that is a hole already, right? Now if I select solid, it is solid. If I select hole, it is hole. So right now I have a hole, and I go ahead and click next. It says the cylinder should be scaled to fit the finger it is being made for. And you're going to use 17 millimeters for the diameter. Okay, so we can go ahead and select in here. It says 20, so we can go ahead and select 17, and then select 17 on this. Now, why do I have to do it twice? Well, if I only do it on one side, it'll be kind of an oval. So right now, this is a 17 millimeter diameter for this hole. Now it says drag a cylinder shape to the work plane. Okay, so I'll go ahead and drag another one. And this one is going to be the outside of the ring. Okay, so in this case, it's going to be solid. And since we use 17 millimeters on the other one, we're going to scale the diameter to 21 millimeters. Okay, so then in this case, we're going to put in 21. And then we're going to put in 21. Now you could also drag it to the correct size if you want. But in this case, that's fine. Okay. Okay, so now it says select both shapes and scale them to a height of 4 millimeters. Now we have two shapes. There's one on top of the other. So we can select both of them by dragging like this. And then the height is going to be this guy here. Okay, so right now it looks like it's 20 millimeters in height. And we want it to be 4 millimeters in height. So we hit 4. And now it's looking a little bit more like a ring, right? Now, it looks a little wonky because of the graphics on my computer, but yours will look similar to that. Yeah, then we go ahead and click Next. Then it says keep both items selected and group them together using the Group button on the menu bar. Now, if I didn't group them, or if I wanted to reselect them, I'm going to go ahead to the top over here and click Group. And they've kind of combined, and now I've got myself a ring. Okay? So rotate the ring so that it is standing up, so I can click on here and see if I can match the instructions. Now if I wanted to, I can rotate this whole plane by right clicking, and then noticing that I can move this, I can rotate it by clicking one of these guys here. I go like that, and then I could drag it over and have it match that spot, right? It looks like it. There you go. Cool. So then we go to next, and we are done. So that's the basic ring, and we're going to follow some of the same steps for making others. All right. So then click Done. Go back to the TinkerCAD multicolored square, and if we want to notice, I'll have basic ring on my completed items. And then I can go back to Learn, Lessons, See All Lessons, and then I can go and make the simple heart ring followed by the diamond ring. All right. If you have any questions, don't forget to